differences in the direction of light when photographing cute gestures with a single softbox light. When taking a full body photo, it can be difficult to get a good shot if the subject moves. In this video, I will show you how to take beautiful pictures even with a single strobe by comparing the direction of the light. The strobe I use is a Comet B360 with a round softbox called Speedbox 70. First, let's apply the strobe directly on the subject from the front. The light will be from a slightly higher angle. Since the lighting is from the front, the photo will be flat and lack a three-dimensional effect. Because the distance between the subject and the softbox is far, the light quality becomes harder and gives a more flat impression. Next, try applying it directly from an angle. Since the light is coming from an angle, it gives a nice three-dimensional effect to the face. However, the distance between the subject and the softbox is still too far, so the light is a bit hard and the strong shadows appear in the background. If you try to take a full-body photo, you have to move the softbox away or the softbox will be reflected in the photo, resulting in hard light. This time, let's bounce it to the white wall on the left. If you bounce it against the white wall, the light will be much softer because the area is larger. Since the light is from the side, it has a three-dimensional effect and is very beautiful. Even if the softbox is far away from the subject, you can create soft light so you don't have to worry about the softbox appearing in the photo. The light has become softer, but I also want to include a hair light, so I bounce the softbox high on the back left wall to create a semi-backlit lighting. To brighten the subject, place a large reflector diagonally in front of the subject to reflect the light from the bounce at the back left. The subject was illuminated with soft light as well as a beautiful hair light and edge light, creating a beautiful light. Since it bounces off the wall, the light is less likely to be reflected in the image, even if the subject is far away from the light. Also, if the subject is far away from the light, the brightness will not change even if the subject moves left or right, allowing you to take pictures with beautiful lighting. After that, It's perfect to shoot while showing movement. You can improve your facial expression by simply taking pictures while moving. You can take such beautiful pictures with just one light. Isn't it amazing? Everyone, please give it a try.